All right, so we are in one of my clients' tenant improvements. He's making this into a pub. It used to be a Mexican restaurant, and there was no exposed beaming. It was all sheetrocked. Walls everywhere. They completely gutted this place and combined 3 suites into one big building. The thing they wanted was a really rustic look. And if you look at the ducting here, it's really beat up. It actually used to be the hard pipe ducting, KD pipe is what you call it, with insulation wrapped around it up above the sheetrock and the insulation. Really beat up. It's about 40 years old, but they wanted to reuse it. They didn't want to replace and go spiral pipe, something that looks really nice with commercial. They wanted a really beat up look. So that's what we did. And you've got the old plenums and the old KD pipe and elbows. I mean, you can really see this stuff is slapped together when they did it 40 years ago. I mean, it's really shoddy, but it's going to be all exposed. Doesn't matter if it's leaky or not, because it's all in conditioned space. So what I did was went through, took off the cans and went to round registers, as you can see, and centered them and did some custom sheet metal work so that their placement is all correct. And I replaced all the ducting that was actually smashed over the years from when people would crawl up in the attic and actually get on top of the duct and collapse it. So yeah, as you can see, custom grill. A lot of old ducting here mixed with new ducting, all KD pipe. Really not something that's cosmetically purpose to look good. It's actually made to be covered with insulation. But again, in their case, they're looking for an American pub, rustic look, really old, beat up, and that's what we did. Airmergency Inc. Custom KD pipe. We can do new and we can make it look really old. And I'll just walk through here. As you can see down, all these grills are pretty much lined up, which they were completely offset when I got here. As you can see, everything's got to be cosmetically looking good all the way down. This is going to be the VIP area. This is going to be the dance floor that I'm actually standing on right now, and you'll have a big restaurant in here. There'll be a bar over here, office area, bar, and the kitchen will be on the far end over there, which actually will be sheetrocked, which is why we can use flexible ducting over here. As you can see, there's a difference between the old-fashioned KD look, KD pipe, and then you get the nice flexible stuff that really is not for cosmetic looks as much as spiral pipe would be, but this is all going to be sheetrocked up. So there's going to be a big wall here, as you can see. When you walk in the front door, they're going to wall this off all the way down, and that's going to be the big kitchen area. This is where all the magic will happen in here, behind the scenes. Not bad. All fun.